Hello guys, welcome to the Cash Course channel. This is a channel that prioritizes and is lean on multiplying income. So if you know increasing your income is not solely why you're here, then I would advise that this video is not for you, because what we do here is nothing but multiplying our income. It is a channel where we turn our tens to hundreds and hundreds to thousands. Today we are going to talk about a strategy, a technique in which we can be able to know when to buy and when to sell. In general term, we all know that in order to have profits on crypto is buying low and selling high. But the question remains the same. When do we buy low and when do we sell high? And when do we know when a coin is going to appreciate or depreciate? Well, I am delighted to tell you that there's a way we can be able to know when to buy and when to sell without having the risk of buying and end up seeing our coin decrease in value. So what we are going to do first is go to the Binance application, which is right here. And if you don't have Binance, there's a link in the description below, which you can be able to register on Binance, complete your KYC, and head on to the game. So after going to the Binance, you'll discover that in the Binance there's the favorite option, there's the hot, there's the gainers, the losers, and the new listings. So the section we are going to venture in is the hot. Yes, we are going to click on the hot section. The hot comprises of coins or crypto asset or tokens that are being traded, that are trending and are being traded at a high liquidity, because you would want to trade on a coin or a crypto that has a high liquidity. Liquidity simply means the amount of transaction a coin has in a particular time. For instance, if let's say Ethereum has a liquidity of $3 billion in 24 hours and BTC has a liquidity of $5 billion, then that means that BTC has more liquidity than Ethereum. So the reason why we are going to trade with a coin that has high liquidity is because whenever we execute an order, a buy order or a sell order, it is going to be executed fast because there are lots of people, buyers and sellers in the market, who are ready to buy and sell. So over here we are going to search for coins that have this green over here. The green clearly means that the coin is appreciating. You see, this one is green, this one is also green, this one is green. You see, ignore the red for now, because what we are going to do is buy low and sell high. So you look for a coin, any coin with greenish that suits you, that you feel you will be or you want to trade with. In my case, for the sake of this video, let's go for people. But first of all, let's see the liquidity that this crypto has. So it has a liquidity of $88 million in the last 24 hours. It is pretty good. It's a good token. It's a token that is being traded with high liquidity. So the platform we are going to go into now is called the CoinMarketCap, and you all know the CoinMarketCap is a platform or a space where different cryptos and their prices are being displayed, and the prices which the exchanges, major exchanges, do buy and sell at. So let's head to CoinMarketCap. So over here in CoinMarketCap, you can see different tokens, different coins, and the price at which they are being sold at and bought at, their highs and their lows. So what we are going to do now is click on the search bar, the search option which is over here, and search for people, P-E-O-P-L-E, the way it is being spelled on Binance, P-E-O-P-L-E. Here it is. This is people. The first option, click on it. It is going to head us straight to the info on people coin. You see, it is being traded at 0.08433, and it has appreciated by about 5.10 in the last 24 hours, which is 1 day. So the second thing we are going to do now is to click on the market over here. Okay, we click on it. It is going to take us to how much on it is being sold on major exchanges, and Binance is the first one to appear on the list because firstly it is one of the biggest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world, and it has more liquidity compared to other crypto exchanges when it comes to this token. So this is the people slash USDT right here. So what we are going to do is we slide this info to the left, slide it to the left until we reach where it is written 2% depth, plus 2% depth, and minus 2% depth. Well, plus 2% depth simply means the buyers, and minus 2% depth simply means the sellers. So what this actually means is the plus 2% are the amount of people that are willing and ready, that have placed their order to be executed when the price of this coin goes down by 2%. And the minus 2% depth are the people whom have already placed their orders to be executed when this token rises by 2%. I believe you understood what I mean. For instance, if a coin is being traded at $100, the plus 2% depth of people who are the buyers will place their order to be executed with 2% decrease, which is $98, and then the order will be executed. While the minus 2% depth people will place their order when it is 102. I hope you understand what this means. So if you look at this section closely, you will notice that the amount of people that have come together to actually buy, to actually sell when it rises, which is the minus 2% depth of people, is way greater than the amount of people who have come here to buy when it is down by 2%. This is what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about. The 2% depth is smaller than the minus 2% depth. So it means that the coin is currently on the seller's advantage. Okay? And the market always responds to those who have more money. That is how the role of the market goes. So presently, the token is on the advantage of those who are being on the seller's option. But do not forget, the coin is up by 5%. So there's a chance that if we do get into this trade, we will be able to accumulate something worth of value. I hope this video isn't confusing you guys. So in case it isn't clear for you, I will provide a contact link in the description, and feel free to comment or ask questions, as I will give you answers on what you're confused about. With this being said, we can clearly go to the Binance exchange to execute our trade. So over here on Binance, as at the time I am recording this video, people token is selling and trading at 0.08508. So if we are to buy a token on people worth of 0.08509 and buy a token of 1000 USDT, sorry guys, if we use 1000 USDT to buy this token, we will have 11,757.7 worth of people token at 0.08505. Okay, 0.08505. We will be having this with our $1,000. So now we are going to head to the calculator and increase 2% out of this, so we can be able to be at the percentage depth of the rest of the people. So in our calculator, in order to calculate the 2% increase, in order to get on the order book along with the rest of the people that are ready to buy when it gets low, we are going to calculate 2%. If your calculator doesn't have a percentage, you can just say 2 divided by 100. It's going to give you 2% times the price at which the token is being traded at, and ours is 0.0849, which is the price of people token, 0.0849. Okay, sorry, it's 2 divided by 100, which is 2%, times 0.0849. Okay, we've arrived at 0.001698 plus 0.0849. Now this is the new price we are going to be selling at. Okay, this is the new price. This is the 2% increase in the present price of people token. All right, so we are going to head back to Binance and put this new price. So over here in Binance, the buying price is 0.0849, and we are buying people token worth of 1000 USDT. And if we want to sell now, we are going to put in our new price, which is 2% increase based on what we've seen on CoinMarketCap, and it's going to be 0.08659. all right, so we'll go to the sell section, put in our initial capital $1,000, and we'll just get straight to this place where it rates price in USDT and change it. We are going to change it to the 2% increase, which is 0.08659. okay, and then we are going to sell it in this manner. And if you can see, you will see that we already have a open amount of $1,018 on this transaction. Okay, so we buy it at the present price, and then after going to CoinMarketCap to confirm on whose hand on which side the market is responding to, we'll come back to Binance, then we'll go to our calculator and get 2% of the the current price at which the coin is being traded at, and then we'll come back here after buying it at limit order or at market order. Then we'll just head to the sell section and put it on our new price, which is 2% higher than what we bought it for. And voila, as you can see, we have $1,018 on this particular trade. And Binance will deduct a charge of 0.01% of any transaction, whether you're buying or selling. So at the end of the day, if you do the maths, you will see that the amount of fee Binance is going to take is roughly 0.763 USDT. I'll show you. This is it, 0.736 USDT, 0.763 USDT over here. This is what Binance is going to charge you. So you see it's insignificant in respect to the profit we've just made. So when buying, they are going to deduct this money, and when also selling, they are going to deduct this money. So you're roughly going to end up with, let's say, 1016 or 1017 points with some cents. Okay, I hope this video helps, and I hope this strategy is understood by you guys. Please, if you have any question, you can just drop a comment, or you can just contact me on WhatsApp or my Telegram channel or my Telegram link. Okay, stay safe. Ciao.